Welcome guys to my second video of this series. In this video I will be explaining the first window of this program. If I run this program, here it is. This is the first window, how I designed it and how I created these three buttons and what are the functions of these three buttons. So I will be explaining this all these things in this video. So here is the class that is representing the main window, and each class you can see here, each class is representing a window. Here this is the add employee window and this is the main window, so we will be talking about this main window in this video. Here I haven't defined any functions, so I have set it just to pass the information that uh, it get from the Kivy file, and all the design is in the Kivy file. So we will go to the Kivy file. So first of all, in the Kivy file, there is a screen manager. I have defined a class for the screen manager also. So the screen manager, what it does, it manages the screens for us and it do a lot of work for us without any coding. So here is the screen manager class and it manages the screens. So uh, here we will be uh, writing the names of the windows that we are using. So is the main window, add employee, alias, data list. We are using 4 windows only, so we are mentioning them here. Then we will come to the main window, and this is the transition we are using. So when we run this program, when we press a button, so it plays a transition. This is the transitions name. This is a swap transition. You can find many other transition in the Kivy file, in the Kivy on the Kivy website. And then the main window, here I am, then this is the main window. Name of this window is main. We will be referring this window by this name, which is main. Orientation is horizontal. You can use horizontal or vertical orientation. Canvas dot before, this is the this shape will be shown before anything on the window, before everything on the window. So its size will be uh, the same size which the windows here, which the window is, and then the position will also be the same position which the window has. So, and I have set the color, this color for this window. You can change the color if you want. Then here is the box layout. So if I run it, this color, this background color is due to the canvas dot before color. Okay. So then box layout, I have defined a box layout, and you can define any other layout like float layout, whichever layout suits your project. So there the box layout is there. Then you will define columns and rows as you desire, and the orientation is I am using here is a vertical, and you can use vertical or horizontal, uh, any of the them. So then padding and spacing, it is also changeable, and you can change and you can set them to your desired value. So button, there are 3 buttons, that is the data list, pay list and add employee. As you can see in the program here, these 3 buttons I have created them through the Kivy file and the Kivy language. So here is the background color of the button, then the background normal, size hint of the button, and then the height of the button. So height of the button is set to 40. When we press and then release the button, this functions will be called. So this will play a transition of swap transition, and app.proof.current is equal to app. This means, this line of code means that when we release the button, it will go to the window named add. If I haven't defined the add window, then this will show me an error. So here, when I press it, this is the window which is named add in the program, and I will show it later on to the in the next videos, this window also. So then all the buttons are the same and the same things are being done. So here comes the box layout, and I have commented it out. When I commented it out, so the windows looks like this. When I remove the comment and then rerun this program, now you will see the buttons are shifted from bottom to the top of the window. So this is because of this box layout. When I create an empty box layout, here it is the empty box layout here, and because it is empty, so it is not so we cannot see anything in here. So if you want to see anything in here, in this area, you can here you can code it here, and then with this will be displayed in here. So if you want the buttons to be on the top of the window, then we will be creating this box layout. If you want them to be on the bottom, so you don't need to create any box layout, as they will be on default, they will be on the bottom of the window. So I think this is enough for today's video, and then in the next video I will be explaining the yeah, all these text boxes and these labels, and how these they all work. So take care, and please like and share the video if you notice some errors, or if you want to me to um, make a video on another topic related to programming, so you can mention it in the comment box, or you can appreciate